In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam's slow download speed. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Steam app. And from here in Steam, tap on the Steam icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on Settings. From here, select Downloads. And you'll see the download region right here. So what you want to do is just select the download region that is nearest to you. So just select the nearest, and you'll need to restart your Steam to take effect. Now what you want to do in the limit download speed, make sure this is disabled. Allow downloads during gameplay. You can either enable this or disable. The throttle downloads while streaming, you want to disable this. And what you want to do next is click here on clear cache. But take note, when you clear the cache, it will sign you out of Steam and you'll need to log in again. Now the next thing you can do is go to your search bar and search for settings. Now from here, go to network and internet. Go to your connection. So I'm in Wi-Fi. Now go to your properties. And from here, advanced Wi-Fi network properties. If you're in Wi-Fi, so if you're using Ethernet, just go to the Ethernet section. Now click on Edit. And from here, no. Just click here, Configure Firewall and Security Settings. Hold on. Let's just go to Control Panel. Now you want to click on Network and Sharing Center. Go to your connections, go to properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and click here on use the following DNS servers. So what you want to do is simply type here 8, 4, 4, and 8. Now here in the alternate, just type in 8888. Now click OK. So this is the DNS servers for Google. Just click OK and you're good to go. Restart your PC and your download speed will now be faster than ever. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.